To troubleshoot Uniswap SDK. Start by understanding the basics of the Uniswap protocol and the SDK itself. The Uniswap SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to build applications on top of the Uniswap protocol, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. First, ensure you have a good grasp of the Ethereum blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized finance concepts. Familiarize yourself with the Uniswap protocol and its features, such as liquidity pools, trading, and token swapping. Next, review the Uniswap SDK documentation and the official GitHub repository. The documentation provides detailed information on how to install, configure, and use the SDK. The GitHub repository contains the source code, examples, and issues reported by other developers. When troubleshooting, start by checking the SDK version and ensuring it is compatible with your project. Verify that the dependencies are correctly installed and configured. Check the console logs for any error messages and use debugging tools to identify the source of the issue. Common issues with the Uniswap SDK include incorrect configuration, insufficient funds, and outdated dependencies. To resolve these issues, review the configuration files, check the account balances, and update the dependencies to the latest version. Best practices for troubleshooting the Uniswap SDK include testing with a small amount of funds on a test network, using a debugger to step through the code, and seeking help from the Uniswap community. The Uniswap community is active and helpful, with many developers contributing to the protocol and providing support. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot issues with the Uniswap SDK and build robust and reliable applications on the Uniswap protocol. Remember to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates to the Uniswap SDK and protocol to ensure your application remains compatible and secure.